Hi everyone. I have got this section here started. You can't tell by looking at this side, but I'll take you and show you the other side. Kind of wore myself out a little bit, but it's all good. My little wagon. Alright, so it's about halfway done. On my side anyway. My neighbor has to do their side. Because this is the drain off for the floodwater, so it's got to be cleared. And even though I bartered to get this work done, I made the mistake of paying in advance because he was a friend of Sonny's. And, well, you know, the vultures come out. So I'm just going to chalk that up to a lesson learned. Not to trust anyone, even people who, you know, claim to be friends. So that's too bad. Wow, I really called that man a vulture. That was so rude. And I said I can't trust anyone. That's sad. And I don't believe that. I believe that there's a lot of people I can trust, including him. Now, the reason that I gave him the stuff in advance was because it was Sonny's hunting equipment that I was trading in exchange for some work. And the laws here in France are extremely strict. And it's illegal for me, an unlicensed, I'm not a licensed hunter. So I could get fined and I could get jail time just having the equipment in my house. So yeah, it had to go. So on my agenda, oh, let me show you what I brought in. I've got some black gold over here. This is all worm castings. Both these buckets here, this white one and this one here, this tub. All this is just, there's still worms in here. This has been probably 3-4 years in the making. So yeah, I'm gonna be, yeah, see there's still worms in here. You see those? Yeah. And also this bucket too. Yep. They done ate all the food that I had put in here, but oh, they still got a little something. Let me put that in there for them. Oh, that looks like it's trying to grow, whatever it is. We'll see what happens. Anyway, I have to, I'm gonna put up another, well, first of all, I'm gonna empty that one out, this raised bed. I'm gonna get all the garbage out of here and fill it up. I got enough sacks of dirt, and I still got about, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 behind the house of the universal dirt that's right over there. I got a few more of those behind the house. And then I'm gonna clean. I could hear Waffles barking. He's not happy. He hates being left alone. So yeah, I'm gonna take the dead plants out of here. Waffles is responsible for this. He killed that plant. He ate the whole thing. And you see he's been chowing down on this one. He did the same thing over here, but I need to go through here and get the weeds out. And I think I might just, well, no, I mean, it's still growing, so I'm just gonna trim it up and let it regrow some fresh leaves. This is my sage, isn't it? We'll see. Yeah, that's my sage. And look, it's growing down here too. Oh no, it's not. It's coming out the bucket. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna put some more Swiss chard in here in the front. Waffles ate that plant too. Y'all just saw that in the video. You see, it's mort, dead. And I guess I'll harvest the rest of these carrots for waffles. Or maybe I'll just leave them and let him, because I did say I was going to make him his own garden this year, so maybe these buckets of carrots will be the start of that. I'm planting some sweet peas. And what else would he like? I don't know, I'll figure it out. Swiss chard and sweet peas and carrots for sure for waffles. All right. My lovely shed. This thing dates back to, this thing is at least 80 years old. And the reason I know it's at least 80 years old is because my neighbor, the one whose garden I'm going to clean out right now, she remembers this when she was a little girl. This is where they came back here to use the outhouse. That's the outhouse right there at the end. What's left of it. And yeah. These gardens all had wells. I have running water in mine now. My neighbor still has his well. I think I'd rather have a well. I think. Except for that year that we had that drought. Anyway, I'm just rambling. Can you tell I'm lonely? No adults to really talk to. Let's take a look at the turnips. All right, they're growing. This bucket's growing. This one's not doing too well. And I don't even want to go in the greenhouse right now. I'm a little mad at the greenhouse because the mice have been in there eating my seedlings. So, gonna have to plant some more. I guess if worse comes to worse, I'll just buy something, but I really don't want to buy. Unless I buy them from the lady in Lunary. That's an option. Oh. Here in my mouth. Sorry about that. Sudden camera moves. You see my tulips? Aren't they pretty? I wait for these to grow every year. I don't know, there's just something really country about them growing underneath the clothesline. I just like it. Simple things, you know?